Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. If you've ever downloaded a zip file on your Android device and felt stuck on how to open it, don't worry. I'm here to guide you through it step by step for 2025. Zip files are essentially compressed folders that help save space and make sharing files easier, like when you're downloading apps, games, or documents from the internet. First, let's check if your Android phone has built-in support. Most devices running Android 15 or later come with the Files app that can handle zip files natively. Open your Files app, it's usually pre-installed. Navigate to the folder where your zip file is stored, tap on it, and you might see options to extract or view the contents directly. If it works, great. You're all set with minimal effort. But if that doesn't pan out, we'll turn to a reliable app. Head over to the Google Play Store and search for ZArchiver. It's a free, user-friendly tool that's perfect for 2025's Android systems. Once downloaded and installed, open the app and grant it the necessary permissions, like access to your storage. Now, for the main steps. In ZArchiver, browse to the location of your zip file. Tap on it to open the archive, and you'll see a list of files inside. Select the ones you want to extract, or choose to extract the whole thing. Pick a destination folder on your device, and hit Extract. It should only take a few seconds, depending on the file size. One quick tip. Always ensure your apps are updated to avoid compatibility issues with the latest Android security features. If you encounter errors, like a corrupted file, try re-downloading the zip or switching to another app like ZArchiver for alternatives. There you have it. Opening zip files on Android in 2025 is straightforward and hassle-free. If this tutorial helped you, smash that like button, subscribe for more tech tips, and drop a comment below if you have questions. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.